do it.
Do you want one of these?
Yeah.
Oh, what else are we gonna get?
Get this.
Dude, you should have came to the softball game. It's pretty legit. Dude, it was a lot of fun. It's legit. Picking teams.
What, this?
I was playing center left the whole time.
What's your center left? Where do I play? Center left?
Play center left.
Center left.
This is the fucking most gold footage I've ever seen in my life.
This is center left. Alright. This is center left. For God, this is center left.
Why do we need multiple cameras? Why don't we just shoot on?
Well, I just want to show my camera.
This is what I want at the baseball.
It
See,
can
now
fit
that
on this, it's 7D.
Cough Cool's new persona is baseball. It's all about batting cages and mitts.
Yeah, baby.